In this video, I'm going to show you how to grip your root. So, if your root is kind of loose, here is what you're going to do. Watch carefully. In the next 20 minutes, guys, I'm going to show you how to grip your loose root, okay? Split into 3. Match each strands. Release your thumb and index finger. And you're grabbing. So you're already there to the root. So you want to start braiding. You grab. There you hold on with your middle finger, which is your grip, and then you go across and grab, and then you be form here, and then you take your index finger, go over to the right, and then you take your right index finger, go over to the left, and you continue to braid. Now you want it to braid under. You're gonna grab the right strand, go into the left, and then take the left strand, go over to the right. So your natural hair is showing. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna tuck it in under, and then you're gonna start it, and then you're gonna start to braid. Okay, so while you're braiding, keep looking for your natural hair. So you're gonna tuck it in again, tuck it in, and then you're gonna continue to braid and braid. Tuck it in again, and you continue braiding. So guys, once you grab the root from the starting, you grip there, guys, you can, and then you can start it to braid. You just gotta maintain your grip. As you braid, you maintain your grip, and you continue to braid and braid and braid and braid and braid and braid. Put her up a little bit, and then you continue to braid until there is no more leaf to braid. Once you're not like putting like curls to the end, make sure you braid right out to the end, because when you're putting it in the hot water, guys, you need a point. Okay, remember, you need a point. So let's go to the other one, and the other one I'm going to show you clearly what to do. So here is what we're going to do first. We're going to take out, and then I'm going to show you the wrapped around. So make sure it's in the same length, and then go ahead and place it right here. And then I'm going to take a clip for you, and then I'm going to place it right here. Grab onto your natural hair in like this, and then you're going to take a small portion, and the small portion that you take out there, here is what you're going to do. If you're a left-handed person, take it and start wrap from the left. You're a right-handed person, make sure you hold your grip, okay? Make sure you hold your grip here. So as you hold your grip, I'm gonna go right. Take your time and wrap, and then you started to wrap. So I'm gonna continue to wrap until there is no more. You're gonna feel with your thumb and index finger when you're there. Okay. So I'm here. So I'm gonna take it and I'm gonna put it back right here. Okay, so this is what you're gonna do. You're gonna split it into 2. Split the hair into 2. and make sure it is split it into 2 equal parts. And then you're going to take down your clip and then take this one in. You're going to take it in and secure it with your little pinky finger. Remember, you're a beginner, so you're going to secure it here with your little pinky finger. And then you're going to grab your middle strand, and then you're going to take the right into the left, grab over to the right, and then the right into the left. And guys, you started to braid. You started to braid. And here it is, guys. It's right there to the root, okay? So you can try this method. If you're getting a hard time gripping, go ahead. And guys, make sure you practice in order to be perfect. Because if you don't practice, guys, you don't be perfect, okay? So I want you to be perfect, so make sure that you practice so that when we meet again on the other video, and drop a comment drop your comment down below, guys. Sorry, down below, and tell me what you think, okay? So try this wrap around method, guys. Make sure you practice, and I'll see you guys in another video. Okay? And thank you so much for watching. And in case you're new here, guys, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. And I'm your host, Classic. So I am out, guys. And bye. Catch you in my next video. Okay. So here it is, guys. To the color. Put her head so that you can see it, what I'm doing. Here it is. Let me give a little zoom in. Oh, we already in. So I'm gonna take it up for you to see. Okay. So try this one out, guys, okay? Try the method out. Leave a comment down below, okay? And then I'll get back to you. Bye, everybody. Hello, hello. Bye, my besties. Bye. Bye, guys.